Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Yeah, great deal for you. This car is free. Just pay for part of the restoration. It is a body off the frame, rotisserie done car, exciting Yenko package, performance 350, 5-speed Tremec. It's not priced real high at all. It's a lot of car for the money. Visit volocars.com. That's where you'll get the price, all the specs, photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other cars. Check it often. It changes just about hourly. But for right now, why don't you join me? We'll go for a spin in a Yenko Nova. Now, obviously, it's not a real Yenko Nova. Then it would be hundreds of thousands of dollars. This car is just a lot for the price. Again, frame off restored. The bottom of the car is actually painted butternut yellow, a gloss yellow, all beautiful, clean metal. The whole front end is rebuilt. Disc brakes at all four wheels. It's got a nice custom exhaust system, just all new underneath. The springs, shocks, all done. Body is beautiful on the car, painted in that butternut yellow, even feels real smooth and slick. Look how nice the trunk fits. Look at the bumper, it's been redone. New taillights, has the Hurst emblem there. Now the Yenko package includes the striping. This is the type of wheel that they used on the Yenko. They're new, but they're the vintage style torque thrust wheels. And this has the white letter Goodyear tires. This anodized trim here is actually exceptionally nice. Couple little defects, but overall it's shiny and straight. Has a bow tie mirror on each door. Has the cross flags, new emblems here. Has the cowl hood with the Yenko stripes. There was a little mud splash behind each tire. I just wiped all down here and it's smooth. There's no bubbles. Everything's smooth from the rockers to the roof. New windshield. Wipers are polished. Up here it's all been replaced. The bumper, the lenses, the trim, all looks new. It's a built 350 motor. It's got the angle plug dual hump heads. Got a nice set of coated headers. It's got an HEI ignition system and all the plug wires are run neatly. Holley aluminum intake and looks like a Holley carb under there, dual feed Holley. All the components look new, the alternator, the fuel pump, the power brake booster and master, the fan, it all looks new in here. Firewall is painted the color of the car, so a nice motor compartment. Door opens easily. Painted real nice, new weather strips. The interior is all redone. Inside the trunk, just completely clean metal with a nice gray and white spatter finish. They painted under here. It's got a new weather strip. The latch looks new. So super clean trunk compartment. It's got an Ididit tilt column with the custom ignition. Door panels are new. The seats have been reupholstered front and back. The cushion's really good. The only thing they didn't do were the armrest pads. Probably the easiest thing to replace in here, and that's the item they didn't replace. It's actually a heater and radio delete, so it has the factory covers over the radio and the heater controls and where the vents would be. Down below the dash is sport comp gauges with the big monster tack. I drove this car. It's a lot of fun. You kick through them first few gears, and when I clicked it into fifth gear, it was like a whole different world. The RPMs dropped, and it just cruised. So this is fun for around town at the stoplights, but you want to hop on the highway and go away somewhere, it'll do that too. Make sure you go to the website and look underneath the car at all the pictures. They also, when they gutted the interior, it's got that insulation. It's all wrapped in the like a Dynamat insulation, which is a sound deadener too. New sill plates. Yeah, the cushions feel good. The dash pad's new. Headliner and sail panels are new and fit tight as a drum. The metal is painted inside here, so it's a nice gloss black finish. disc brakes at all 4 wheels. Runs nice and clean, snappy, drove great. So a lot of car for the money. It's an exciting car, great package right here. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll help with any questions about the car, shipping, financing, whatever it may be. We'll help you out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way of seeing these cars as we put them out there. Got a lot more exciting cars in the works in the very near future, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.